Hey guys, Nick with Sellers Arena here, and I'm on a little mini vacation back in the United States visiting family, and I wanted to just take a few minutes to make this quick video about some business concept I've been thinking about and kind of relate to Amazon PPC. Basically, I've been reading the book Traction lately, and it's really got me thinking about how you really got to be focusing on the parts of your business that drive the majority of the result. You have different parts of your business, whether it be ops or finance or sales and marketing, and you really got to focus on those parts and building out the process for those parts that drive the most results, move the needle. As it relates to Amazon PPC, it's kind of the same thing. I mean, there's a lot of new things, new initiatives that Amazon will roll out regarding pay-per-click ads specifically, like sponsored display, sponsored brand advertising, sponsored brand video. But at the end of the day, if you really look at the numbers across Amazon, what drives the most results? So it's still the basic sponsored product ads that you see as you're scrolling through the search results when you enter Amazon and you search for a product, not what's showing at the top of the screen or within the product listings. So there's a number of reasons why this is, but basically it's because, well, there's limited advertising space for the headline ads and sponsored display ads. With the headline ads, there's data delays, and so it's kind of harder to optimize those as quickly. The actual sales attribution can be up to 3 weeks, so everything's a lot slower acting with that, kind of like if you want to try to optimize and scale those ads. When it comes to sponsored display, again, limited ad space and limited kind of like objective. The objective with those is a lot different also with the sponsored display. A lot of times you're going for more top of funnel by doing retargeting. You're not really trying to go for conversions in that case, so they're kind of meant for a different purpose. That's the idea. But again, limited ad space because you're showing up and under the bullet points with a sponsored display ad there, or over below the buy box, for example. Okay, so limited ad space, and that again makes it more competitive for that ad space, and when you get clicks for that, it's more expensive. So with that said, if you think that you can go and just focus on sponsored display ads or sponsored brand ads and not worry about optimizing your sponsored product ads, like the sponsored display or the rolling out your new sponsored brand video ad is going to be the magic pill that, crushes it for your product, think again. Okay, so even sponsored brand video across Amazon, that makes up for about 8%, 8 to 9% of the sales, usually for an account. Okay, and same for sponsored brand, the regular sponsored brand, and sponsored display, 2 or 3%, okay, across all of Amazon. Whereas sponsored products, at the end of the day, over 80% of sales are still coming from that. So that's where you really need to be focusing 80% of your effort or 90% of your effort on those, making sure those are dialed in. Then later on, bring in the other ad types to help scale up a little further for more top of funnel type of things, objectives, use sponsored display, those other ad types to drive additional traffic and scale further. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. And even though I'm on a little mini vacation here, I'm probably going to be hopping into the computer and making a couple more videos about some more technical stuff. So stay tuned for that. All right, I'll see you in the next one.